What is up, guys? C10 out here with another video. Today, guys, we have the TRX, and over there is the muffler shop, guys. Today, we're gonna straight pipe the TRX. I know my mom's not gonna like this, but you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. And right now, everything's stock on it. We're gonna go straight pipe it. We already got an appointment made, and we're kind of early, so you know, I just got off, recorded a little bit, and I'll put it before and after. Here's the before. I took it at school, but here it is. Roll the clip. Let's go get it straight piped.
Hey, B, line them up.
All right, guys, I'm about to turn it on real quick. All right, guys, after getting the TRX straight pipe, we're here getting this Nissan Altima out. You know, we're gonna put the TRX to work real quick. You know, easy, something easy. You know, yeah. You know, just pulling out another car, and we got that Tahoe over there, or Yukon. We're gonna pull that out over there too. Yeah, TRX is gonna put some work in today. Alright guys, after letting it sit for a while, we have the TRX right here, and we are going to do a cold start with the straight pipes. I know you already saw some clips of it, how it sounds. I'm loving the sound. The next thing we're going to do to it, we're going to put an intake on it, and that's probably it, to be honest. For you can hear the whine a little more, because you know everybody gets a Hellcat or a TRX just for the whine. You know, if you got one of these, you know what I'm talking about. But if you don't, get you one for you can hear the whine. Yeah. All right, guys, but here's the cold start. Don't try that at home, guys.